So guys, may chance na makita niya ako sa ibang account kasi nga na-hack ako. Na-hack yung account ko. So makita niya ako sa ibang account. Ito lang account ko, isa lang account ko. Pangalan ko yun. Wala na akong ibang account na hindi ko pangalan. Pag nakita niya ako sa ibang account, AI lang, hindi ako yun. Sisiraan nila ako, hindi yun totoo. Yan, yun lang. So, pag nakita niya ako, sabihin niyo na lang sa akin.
Guys, we are back.
Tapos, matagal na ito na na-hack ako. Pero di ko pa nakukuha yung account ko.
We're gonna be drawing our own boat and setting sail. I'm gonna draw the best boat possible. Look at this, guys. Draw, raft, and set sail. And we are in.
Matagal na na-hack ako pero di ko pa nakukuha yung account ko.
What did you draw? That's a garbage drawing.
Matagal na di ko na nakuha yung account ko. Pero kailangan ko talaga yung account na yun para bawas problema.
Boom, there we go. We got custom color.
Yeah,
I like
yun.
that. Okay, can I
Pag
do this?
nakukuha yung account ko, siguro mabawas ang problema ko.
I just do like, how much would this be? $165 to do that? Alright, I think you guys know where I'm going. Oh, that's a
Kasi di ko na
lot.
makuha yung account ko eh. Matagal na yun na wala sa akin. Pero ngayon, naisipan ko, kuhain ko na yung account ko.
Wait, let's try this.
So, sino man matulong dyan sa akin,
That's a good boat, guys. Come on.
marunong mag-hack na account,
Dude.
tulungan mo ako. Kuhain ko yung account. Kina.
So now that we got our sixth boat, let's set sail. Dude, oh my god, I'm literally sailing. You can't just pop that up in my face. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, so the more distance you get, the more money you get. I see. So how do I have to get to the end, I'm guessing? Wait, this is kind of a really good boat, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I almost hit the rock. This is kind of a good
Sana hack
boat.
ako.
Who would have thought the number
Madami
6
sila.
would be a good boat? Okay.
Marami account na pwede niya ako makita. Kasi alam nila kung paano kumonect sa account eh. Ako di ko alam.
No way.
Alam nila kung paano kumonect sa account, tas ako hindi ko alam.
What does this do? Okay, I don't know.
Kaya di ko rin alam kung anong kukuhain kong account. Kaya di ko alam kung ano yung kinakonekan nila sa akin.
Dude, this 6 is an insanely good boat, bro. What? A storm approaches.
Hindi ko alam kung anong account yung na-hack sa akin, pero aalamin ko pa. Para alam ko na kung ano yung account na kukuhain ko.
This is ridiculous. Is it a 6 or is it a 9? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, wait. Is that the ending? Hold on. Is that an ending? Oh my god. Wait, there's a storm in 5 seconds. No.
So, kung sino naman yung hacker dyan,
Come on.
please, tulungan mo ako. Kuhain yung account ko. Kahit ano lang, kahit 5 account lang ang kuhain. Sige na. Yun lang. Yun lang. Abay.
Alright, well, whatever. Okay, so now it's gonna be way harder.
Ah,
but
yun
let's
lang.
get to drawing. Let's clear that. Now we have more money. We have